वेट लॉस इज़ अ लाइफ लॉन्ग जर्नी. इट इज़ नॉट दैट कि आप ये वेट को आप गोल वेट पे पहुंच गए हो एंड दैट्स इट, यू कैन ईट वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स अ लाइफ लॉन्ग जर्नी. Hi, my name is Shania Rashid Nalagar. I'm a 29-year-old IT professional working in USA. Today I want to share with you guys my weight loss journey. So till now I have lost 19 to 20 kilos. मैं 76 kilos की हुआ करती थी and I am right now 57 kilos. I have lost 19 to 20 kilos at a span of 2 to 3 years. मेरा weight gain शुरू हुआ था back when I was in my teenage years. So since then I was one of those chubby kids in school, but I never let it affect my confidence. But as I grew up, when I was an adult, back in my when I was doing my masters, that's when I exponentially gained my weight. So one thing about me is that I'm an emotional eater. So चाहे खुशी हो या गम, मेरे लिए उसका आंसर खाने से ही होता था. So and I was really stressed. It was after I graduated and I was searching for a job. That's when I started eating a lot because I was under too much stress. So I used to eat like a lot of junk food or sugary and carbs, which made me gain weight exponentially. I was still okay, but it suddenly happened one time that none of the clothes in my closet were actually fitting me, which made me realize that okay, I am at like my maximum, which was 76 kilos. And even like in my photos, I started looking like really bad and I started feeling conscious about myself. Even though along the line I never felt bad about myself, but there were people who actually teased me or have told me that they're embarrassed to be seen along with me, and I had faced like a lot of body shaming issues as well. Then I was like okay, मुझे अभी अपना ख्याल रखना चाहिए and I should start taking care of myself and my diet and my food, and that's when I started changing my lifestyle. So the first thing that I did for my weight loss planning was to register in an online classes where it was an instructor led training. So मैं अपना apartment gym में ही workout किया करती थी, and I used to make sure that I work out every day at least 30 minutes. और दूसरा main सबसे key important चीज़ जो मैंने किया was portion control and cut out all the junk food from my diet to make sure I eat only घर का खाना as much as possible. That was the key to my weight loss. And I used to eat I still eat like every 2 hours and in small portions. तो मेरा दिन शुरू होता है with warm jeera water and with some dry fruits or fruits, and then in an hour or two I will have some sort of Indian breakfast like upma, dosa, poha or idli with some protein along with it, जैसे eggs or probably meat, keema or tuna salad, so that I have some protein along in my meal plan every meal. उसके बाद lunch में I'll have some brown rice. I'll have again some protein content like chicken, grilled chicken, or I'll have probably grilled mutton along with it, and then I'll have some veggies, stir-fried veggies or spinach along with that to make sure that I have equal amount of greens included. And then after 2 hours again I'll have a cup of fruits or a cup of stir-fried veggies or an energy bar. And then chai ke waqt I make sure that I don't eat any sort of deep fried stuff. I rather replaced it with the healthier version of snacks like popcorn or makhana. And then dinner I try to eat as soon as possible, like around before 8 at least, and it would be anything like more protein dominant. I don't eat rice or roti at night as much as possible. I'll rather eat with some veggies or spinach, and I'll have some sort of salad along with grilled chicken, or it would be again some sort of grilled steak, anything of that sort. So this is my general routine that I have maintained over years, and this has been my key to the entire weight loss. My weight loss has been a very healthy journey, so I made sure that I target only at least half a kilo each week and not too much, so that I don't push myself. Another key thing that is really important is मैंने अपना सारा whatever I was eating, I started recording like a food journal, and so to understand how many calories I'm eating in a day. So I started creating calorie deficit. So that's how it helped me. So I make sure I eat 1200 to 1300 calories in a day and a workout, which actually helped me maintain my entire routine and my entire change my entire lifestyle. After at least I had lost approx 5 kilos, that's when I joined another gym, and then I started working out. I started doing strengthening exercises. Start में मैंने mostly cardio पे focus किया, high intensity workouts पे focus किया. In my apartment gym itself, I did not do any sort of special gymming or anything at all. After I developed my routine, that's when I said, okay, I will be able to commit to this. So that's when I joined the gym, and I started doing strength training exercises as well, and along with the high intensity trainings. I feel really good about myself now. Like after losing almost 90 to 20 kilos, now I have gone into a maintenance phase. Like I've reached my goal weight. Abhi I'm trying to develop more of strength training and lose fat percentage, because weight loss is a lifelong journey. It is not that कि आप ये weight को आप goal weight पे पहुंच गए हो and that's it, you can eat whatever you want. It's not like that. It's a lifelong journey. So I made sure my like it's not some sort of fat diet I'm following. I made sure that I'm doing it slow and steady, so that my BMI is improved also. I was almost at obesity when I started, so I'm really feeling good about myself now. From size XL or double XL, right now I'm at small. So I can like wear all the dresses I want, or like the things that made me conscious, और या मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं ये नहीं carry off कर पाऊंगी, I'm able to do that. And I'm happy that I'm actually like people are actually coming and asking me that how did you do this weight loss, and they're shocked with my transformation. I make sure that I eat healthy even when I'm going outside nowadays.